Hello, everybody. I am here with my Plum paper planner unboxing. It just came today. Now, I do not have a cameraman today. I am home by myself, so I am going to be pausing this video to do some opening. So far, all I have done is undone this, like cut it, because I knew I wouldn't be able to do that. So I'm going to open up. And I also just want to mention that they put the shipping label on the bottom. Like, that's just pretty smart. But anyway, I'm going to open up. And we have Plum paper. Personalized for you, by you. And this is their little information. Oh, that's a pretty cover. All right, I'm going to pause and get some things out of this. All right, I am back and I've got it separated out into two piles. These are what I ordered. Looks like we have a couple things that fell out from over here. And these are extras that came with my order. I'm going to pause and open these two, and we are going to go through the extras first. Okay, so here we have a how to care for the notebook. And how to win free Plum paper planner product. We've got a couple sample sticker sheets. I've got a second one of these because I did technically order two planners. This is the sample of their cover material. In my first Plum paper video, I said I thought my husband could tear this. Just to update you guys, he cannot. He is kind of a pretty muscly guy, and he did not win. So that's kind of cool to know. A little gift tag, especially for you. I don't use these on gifts. I keep them and pretend like it's a gift I got myself. And then I can't remember if I ordered these ones or not, but I really don't think I did. I think I just got sent these. These are very, very cute. Stinking adorable. And these are the goal setting sticker book. Okay, so that's what came free. Now I'm going to go to these stickers that I did order. And these are the Memories sticker kit. And I ordered it because it is monthly themed, and that's my jam. Love these, love these, love these. Kind of wish all of the months were in the thing and not some round, but still absolutely love them. I'm a seasonal girl. You guys know that. Just love seasonal planners and seasonal stickers. Seasonal, seasonal, seasonal. That is my jam. And I really like these. I really like these ones up here. Oh, little tent. That's so cute. Oh, very nice. Okay. And now the big show are the two planners I bought. Okay, so one is technically a notebook and the other is technically a planner. I'm going to unwrap both and be right back. Okay, here I have my A5 planner and my A5 notebook. I ordered these purposely unbound and unpunched. I will be doing a separate setup video. And I am in love. I'm absolutely in love. First off, I've been in love with Plum paper planner for years upon years upon years. Let's see, if my son is 9 years old, and I've probably been in love with them for almost that long. And I'm really excited to come back to Plum paper. I have gone back and forth with a couple other companies, and this is going to be my new jam, and I'm really excited. So let's start with the planner. So this is the protector that it comes with. I'm not sure I have anything that will actually punch this. I don't get rid of them, but I don't always use them either. This is the cover I chose, which I'm just absolutely in love with how this has turned out. I mean, so gorgeous. And I will be punching this and using it as my cover page. We've got a little, there we go. We just got a little static. So we have like the landing page where you write your name. And then we have 2020 2021, special dates and events, ideas, plans, goals, and we get into the month. I chose a September start date. That's when school's starting. That's what I'm doing this year. I love the dividers. Because personally, I'm going to be decorating the divider with September themed stickers. And so this will just, this is just a blank slate to me with a little bit of color. These pages you cannot write on with just a regular pen, just what's on back of this. So I may actually just kind of do this like a sticky note style, put some sticky notes here for me to use, and then I might just reuse the dividers depending on what I choose next year. I got the goal planner, you guys. I got the goal planner. I am super excited. It's a new offering that they have. I don't know how new. The newest offering they have is the distance learning planner, which of course they came out with like a week after I placed my order. And I may grab that one. I may try to grab something like that in a notebook form though, because you don't need another calendar. But this is my first in-person look at the goal setting. So we've got monthly goal setting, monthly calendar, and then this is the goal. So it's like a dashboard of the week with way more than just your scheduling, which I love. I love. And you go through this for all the weeks. And then I did add-ons. So my monthly add-ons are a to-do list and a fitness tracker and a reflection. Okay, I'm going to pause and I'm going to go to the back of this planner and be right back. Okay, this planner goes to August of next year. I absolutely love that you pick your own start date. Okay, love that, because to me, my quarters are seasonal. September, October, November is the fall quarter for me. Obviously, that's not a fiscal quarter, but that's the quarter for me. So being able to pick my start date has just been amazing. So then you go, Memories is the add-on that I chose for this one. And I believe it is several pages of, I'm actually really excited about this. Now, I know what you're saying, like I could just totally have done this with a blank, blah, 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 da, da, da. And you're right, I could have. But my creativity needs a place to start these days, especially with my antidepressant. I am not blank white slate ready to go anymore. I need a place to start. So I'm going to get through these to what comes in every planner, which is a few dot grid, passwords, contacts, holidays for the next 3 years, and in 2022, we've got their pocket folder. I ordered this sleeve, which also came unpunched. I wasn't sure if the sleeve itself would come unpunched, and I'm glad that it did. We have our back cover, which will make a very cute page lifter. In fact, I may even do it, yay, in the back. So that is the goal planner that I bought. But I also have a notebook I bought. So here's the real magic with Plum paper. It's their add-ons. They're massive. Sorry, guys. I've got to readjust. My back is hurting. Amount of add-ons. And I have bought their 6-month planner before to max out the add-ons. That's what I did in my last video. And however, the only 6-month one they have available is the student planner, I think. I do think they should do more 6-month planners. I think every planner should be available in a 6-month format, personally. But now you can order notebooks and get all your add-ons. So I did the same type of color. Sorry guys, this is what helps me the most. You've got this. I do have to remind myself. I actually love this one way more in person than I liked it on the website. I thought this one was going to be my favorite, but this one is gorgeous as well. So I got the travel notebook because we are planning on traveling full-time in 2 years, but traveling part-time now. And so this has, just notes. Okay. And then we've got travel details, packing lists and activities, day by day, and reflect. We have some blank and some line for reflect, and then it goes to the next trip. I'm sorry. I am unsure exactly how many trips it has, but it's several. Ooh, we have back resources. Let's check those. So we've got a time zone map, hello in multiple languages, conversion charts. Okay. I really like that. Now, some of these add-ons, I will be printing supplemental inserts to accompany these sections, and again, I'll have a setup where I show you what I'm actually doing. But I also got a My Home section, which has home service providers, home maintenance schedule, master cleaning guide, laundry guide, garden guide, monthly goals, and family favorite recipes, home projects, gift list, shopping list, monthly bills, passwords, and then it's got the yearly expense overview. Now, I did get the budget one, but to be honest with you, I'm really got it for, let me show you. So the bank account and yearly cash flow, I like. And this I'm not sure about. This, I may be doing a lot of supplemental printing here. And to be honest, this is for my personal planner, and then I have a family binder separate. So this may not be utilized as much as some of the other sections I plan on using. But if we go to the back here, it's got a debt tracker. It's got a larger My Bills than the other one. We don't have these many bills and a debt tracker, and we are debt free. But for people, this is a really great starting budget. This is perfect for starting. And then I got the meal plan section. And I got this because we are eating so poorly, like that we are borderline malnourished. Like myself, my husband, and our kids. We are eating a lot of junk and a lot of fast food, and we need to fix that. We need to fix it. And so I'm really hoping this is going to help me with that. We've got to get something figured out sooner rather than later. I'm just trying to go to the end of the meal plans. Oh, I got it perfectly. And then we have grocery stores and markets, which this is because there are things that I can only get, not even just at certain stores, but certain locations of that store. Okay? Like it's crazy around here where I live. Takeout and restaurant favorites. And this will be a good one because we specifically wanted to make this list actually like healthy takeout, like not fast food, like you can still get it to go, but healthy food. So that's what we're going to designate that for. And then I think we're going to try this out too. I think we are. Obviously, we'll start on the actual week that we're on. Not obviously, but yeah, I'm going to start on the actual week that we're on of the year. And then just when it switches over to 2021, I'll just label it. I got the prayer add-on. Now, I got this actually for my Bible study, but their Bible study add-on, was there a Bible study add-on? I think there was another religious add-on, and I liked this one better. Now, this is, again, like I said, their prayer. So the reason I liked it is because I'm using it as Bible study with what scripture, because I'm doing a personal Bible study that I kind of came up with that specifically follows Jesus's life chronologically. And that's what I want this for. And I'm doing them a scripture at a time. And then some of the scriptures are the same event or the same era told through different apostles' views. And I'm going to do some compare and reflect on those as well. And so I like that it does have the two, because some of those will, you know, like I think there were like 3 different accounts of his birth or something like that. I don't remember. I've basically read through his birth, but I didn't write anything down while I was reading. So I read through from John the Baptist's announcement that he was going to be born, through him being born, and through Jesus being born. But again, I didn't write anything down for that. And I feel like I did myself a disservice there because I'm having trouble recalling. So I think these are going to work really well for that. I also use a moon journal and have a whole thing based on the moon calendar that I do. So like, don't think I'm like I'm all kinds of different religious. But notes, I needed lots of filler paper. That's what this is. Adding a note section was just buying a bunch of filler paper. And I did line and dot grid and graph. I did all 3, line, dot grid, and graph. And I did the coloring. I just wanted to see. I wanted to see them in person. Some of these are really gorgeous. All of them are gorgeous, but some of these are really, really speaking to me. And some of these I might have to, like I want this one to have this be on the front. So I may end up like trimming him and then adding a cardstock border. I don't know, but yeah. And then this also has a folder and the back covers. So this is my Plum paper notebook. This is my Plum paper planner. These are all my Plum paper add-ons. And I am genuinely ecstatic, to be honest. It's kind of a long video, but at least it's still under 20 minutes. And I am, like I said, going to follow up with a setup video where I will show you the cover that I got that I'm going to be using and the hole punch that I got that I'm going to be using. Again, Plum Paper Planner. Guys, if you have not heard of them, check it out. I will talk to you soon. Bye.